people, Dano Moto. Now, just need to apologise first for the lack of motorbike today. I've lost all my back brake and I've had absolutely no time to get outside and check out what's going on with it, because I'm back in work for 4 days. I'm on days today, on nights tomorrow, so hopefully I'll have tomorrow daytime to get out and have a look, but that is the reason we are in the car. So apologies for that. I want to put this video out. I didn't want to leave it too long because JT SouthernFried, I don't know, it's not really a challenge, but he's requested that I join in on the free MF'ers. Am I saying that right? The free MF'ers? Anyway, it means my free moto friends, moto vlogging friends, or moto friends. It comes just after I put out my personal top 5 moto vloggers that I watch. So I won't be using that top 5, you know, even though I do speak to a few of you. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna keep it British. I'm gonna keep it all in the UK. Okay, so since putting out a few uploads, I've come across some other moto vloggers from the UK, so I'm gonna use them. So the first one is Dad and Mads. Dad is rolling around with little Mads on the back of his bike, and she's doing some recordings and some uploads herself. Now I know what you're going through with that. My daughter absolutely loves YouTube, and she walks around the house with my camera doing. I have showed my little lady your videos on YouTube, and I wouldn't say it's inspired her, but it's definitely given her the kick to ask to come on my bike, and she's showing a more of an interest. But she said she's only coming on the back of my bike when I've got a hold-the-onny thing. When I asked her what the hold-the-onny thing was, she pointed at the sissy bar. So I have to get my bike prepped for my little lady. Anyway, that's Dad and Mads. Go over, check out what they're doing. Absolutely brilliant. Mads is just cuteness overload. Second one is going to be Midlands 48 rider. Now I found you, and I found you both at the same sort of time. I believe you both do a lot with the Sports to Sickness group, judging by your videos. I know you've just bought yourself a new helmet and you're working on your setup now, so I'll be interested to see once you get all that sorted, some more of your content. And you're rolling around on that 48, absolutely love that bike, beautiful colour as well. I love the white. Third one is going to be Dig Moto, I can't say it. You probably won't see this upload for a while because you've just had a little nipper, so congratulations, dude. But to be fair, I love watching you rolling around on that Aprilia RS. I genuinely think you are in the Isle of Man TT or something. What you put that bike through is unreal. But keep on uploading, it make me chuckle. And again, a massive congratulations to you and your partner on the birth of your first child. That's awesome. So that's my three guys, my three MF'ers. Dad and Mad, Midlands 48 rider, and Dig Moto. But I definitely want to sort something out with the Midlands lot. You're only up the road. Anyway, that's me done, guys. Off to work. Like I say, hopefully tomorrow I'll have more time to work out why my bike decided to shit out all its rear brake fluid. Get it, because we've had a nice bank holiday as well. So I think this it's kind of a challenge, I suppose, but it's not a massive challenge. But it's all about getting more names out there in this community that we will build in. So get on it, get your free done. It doesn't have to be a long video. But let's all support each other and watch each other grow. So I'm signing out now because this road is 20 odd miles now of dual carriageway, which is not fun for anybody, and you don't want to listen to my voice drone on about nothing. So enjoy what you do, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ta-da!